If you want to turn off all the ads on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Now on this screen, you will find a feature called Apple Advertising. Just tap on it. Now if this feature is enabled, just disable it. After you disable this feature, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for the Safari app. Then tap on it. Under the Safari settings, you will find a feature called Block Pop-ups. Now just enable this feature, and by enabling this feature, you will block all the pop-up ads in the Safari web browser. Then finally, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your iPhone. Once this app is downloaded, then go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Under Settings, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Safari app. Then tap on it. Under the Safari settings, you will find the option of extensions. Just tap on it, and from here just enable all the extensions for AdGuard. Just tap on each of them and select Allow Extension. Just like that. And once you do that, you will turn off all the ads on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.